Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on the Badoo dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the Badoo dating application on your device to open it up. And once the application is opened up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. So go ahead and use your credentials to log into your account. And after logging in, you will be taken into the home page, from which you can directly start matching with different users. Now, if you wish to change your phone number, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and from your profile page, tap on your profile. You will then find the edit button at the bottom section, so just tap on it. Now, from your profile page, scroll all the way down and you will find your phone number. Tap on the edit button at the right side, and then you will be able to tap on the disconnect button. Once you tap on disconnect, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to disconnect your number, and you may also need to provide the verification code. After proceeding forward with the verification, your phone number will be removed, and you will find the add option within the same page. You can then tap on the add button and then enter your preferred new phone number. After entering your new phone number, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to it. So just type in the verification code by checking your phone SMS, and then your phone will be officially added to your account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to change your phone number on the Badoo dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.